In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay Wise Business Fee by using Revolut. Before we begin, here's the big idea. Payment links are incredibly handy because they're fast to set up and effortless to share. Whether you're collecting money or sending it out, a simple link keeps things clear and trackable, which is perfect when you need to handle a specific fee. First, make sure Revolut is available in your country and that your Revolut business account is verified. Availability and features can vary by region, so checking this up front avoids surprises later. Once that's confirmed, you're ready to create a link for the exact fee amount you need to pay or request. To create a payment link in the Revolut Business app, sign in and head to New Payment. Choose Payment Link, enter the amount you want to collect, and if you like, personalize the payment page with a description or reference. This helps the recipient understand what the payment is for and keeps your records tidy. When you're happy, tap Create to generate the link. You can share it right away using your preferred channel, email, chat, or any secure messaging tool. If you're working on a desktop, you can also create payment links from your Revolut online account, but you may need to copy and share that link manually yourself. If you need to send money via a link, useful when paying a specific fee to a service provider, open the Revolut Business app and sign in. Go to Transfers in the main menu. Tap the three dots, then select Send via link. Follow the on-screen instructions to set the amount, add any notes or references, and generate the link. Share it with the recipient so they can access and receive the funds. This method is especially helpful when you don't have full beneficiary details handy or want a quick guided payout. A quick word on costs. Creating and sending payment links in Revolut is free, and you can personalize the payment page at no extra charge. However, there are fees for accepting payments, which means a charge can apply when someone pays using a link you've sent. Fees vary by factors like card type, currency, and region, so always review the latest pricing in your Revolut business account before you finalize the link. Budgeting for that fee ensures the amount received or sent matches the exact Wise Business fee you're aiming to cover. That's it. Set the precise amount, create your link, and share it securely. With these steps, paying or collecting a Wise Business fee through Revolut becomes quick, transparent, and organized.